How to manage autocomplete with on-device data on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage autocomplete with on-device data on Google Chrome Mobile. First you're gonna do on Google Mobile. First thing, go to Google and now click this on your profile, this one, and then click here, settings, and click general, and now you can find this one here and you can just turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again just click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.